It's Dean here from Siteglide. I've got a sneak peek of something today that should help ease the migration out of Business Catalyst. For those who don't know us, we are a UK-based BC partner and have been for a number of years. Like everyone else, we've had to reevaluate our platforms since Adobe's end of life announcement, and we spoke quite early on to Adam Broadway and Platform OS. So they've given us access. I just want to thank the guys over there for letting us in to start working. So when looking at the forums, Facebook pages, LinkedIn, etc., the one BC feature that comes up again and again is web apps. We and most other partners have come to get used to the power of web apps, and that seems to be the most requested feature when looking for a new platform. After using Platform OS for a week or two, we've explored web apps and recreated some of our core functionality, but we still have the one problem to solve: migration. Like us, you probably have lots of sites with web apps and hundreds, possibly thousands of items in each. We need to get them moved across without it being a manual task of recreating those items in the new platform. So for the demo today, I've got a custom BC test account, and it has quite a simple team web app in it with a few custom fields. So the about, the user, the role, and some of their social media accounts. I've already recreated this structure in a web app within Platform OS. But what we also have behind the scenes is a Siteglide API, which we've been working on for a number of months, which will interface with the Business Catalyst APIs to provide information from the web apps off the back of the BC APIs. So with that in mind, we've also created a data in API in Platform OS, which means we can migrate the web items as long as the structure is the same currently from one account, from one platform to the other. So with that in mind, if I look at my list of web app items for the team in Platform OS, currently we just have the one user. And over in Siteglide, Business Catalyst, we have two other users which aren't currently in that account. And on the front end, again, just the one user for Platform OS. So with our new web app importer, we have two simple options. The web app, this will scan your site and give you the list of available web apps to import. So we're going to pick Team Import. It will then give you a small preview of the data just to check that that is the right web app. Then on the Platform OS side, you pick the relevant web app or transactable that you would like to put the data into, and then click Import. Because the names are slightly different, we do throw an alert to check that you do want to use that item. So we just click yes. And if we now go back to the list, refresh, we have our two new items with all of our custom data. From the BC accounts, and on the front end, they display with all of our custom layouts already applied. As I said, this is quite an early sneak peek. We're hopefully going to improve this in the future to make it more stable and easier to migrate across. But hopefully this will help other partners as well as ourselves to decide on a platform and get the data and sites starting to move. Thanks.